Hey, what's going on everyone? It's Alex here from SimpleMods and welcome back to another video. I just want to say a huge thanks to everyone that's subscribed to my channel lately. We're nearly at 10,000 subs and that's pretty awesome. This is going to be a pretty quick video, but hopefully a good one. I've just rebuilt the VaultBoy case mod again, and this time we're actually giving away this full system. And it's open Australia-wide thanks to AORUS, Intel, and their new line of AORUS-powered, ready-to-go Intel Z490 10th Gen gaming systems. So you'll be able to check them out with M-Wave, Scorptec, and the PLE down in the video description. And of course, you'll be able to find the giveaway link in there as well. As for the VaultBoy case mod itself, it's very similar to the last time I rebuilt it. However, it's been upgraded with a GIGABYTE RTX 3070 gaming OC graphics card, and it features a Z490i AORUS Ultra mini ITX motherboard with an Intel i5 10600K processor. You'll find the full specs down in the video description, and also if you're interested to find out more about the case mod itself and the work that's actually gone into this system, I've linked the other VaultBoy video down there as well. Alright, let's check out how I put this thing together. Thanks a lot for tuning into this video. Good luck to everyone entering the giveaway, and expect to hear from me for delivery of this custom system sometimes in January. Again, all the details will be down in the video description. Drop us a like if you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers!